Use favorites feed on Instagram. In this video, I'm gonna show you how you can simply use or check up on the favorites feeds on Instagram. So without further ado, let's start it. First of all, open the Instagram application on your mobile. Once you do that, while you're scrolling down, you just see that arrow downs icon or button just beside that Instagram app. So once you go over there, you just have to go into the favorites option just below that following. Once you go over there, a new page appears. This page states that choose the account you can't miss out on. So we can add our favorites on this one. So for example, these are my accounts that I want to make favorites. So once I do that, I can confirm favorites. So now I'll see these. These star represent that these are my favorite accounts. So I can eventually see all the posts from them. So this is how you do it. This is how you use favorites feed on Instagram. I hope you guys like the video. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and subscribe. Till next time, peace.